What are your priorities in life? Priority number 1, put God first. Jesus said, "But seek first His kingdom and His righteousness, and all these things will be given to you as well." Jesus also said that the greatest commandment is love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, and with all your mind. In these verses, Jesus is clear about God as our top priority. So, what does it mean when you put God first in your life? Well, I'll mention 3 things here briefly. It means live your life based on what God says. Yes, God's word becomes a guide for you. Therefore, what is important to God becomes important to you. You will seek to obey, honor, and glorify God in how you think and behave. Have a mindset based on a biblical worldview. You renew your mind daily, as Paul says in Romans 12:2, and so you are not shaped by the world's philosophies. And relate to God through Bible reading, prayer, worship, and other spiritual disciplines, even maybe fasting or serving others through the church. Watch the videos you see here on the screen to continue to learn more about life's priorities. And if you liked the video, click the like button. Share it with your friends. Be sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.